Hello, look at this beautiful, the Mistress, as I call her, Black Betty. I hope that don't offend nobody. It's just a black bike named Betty. Black Betty. He lost her mind in Birmingham, something like that. Well, madama. Anyway, you're watching the TBB and Doyle channel. The black bike. Run that intro. Well, those grass, I don't know what they. Hey, what is that? It's grass. It's grass in the road. Oh my lord! I think. Looks like they cut the side of the road. Yep, that's what it looks like. Anyway, welcome back to the Blue Bike and Doyle channel. The bug went in my mouth. Real good. That's the start of the day. Shoot. So, you ain't gonna get to see me this one. I forgot to get the little thingy the last time we rode. I was on Lucille. Next I need to buy one. Keep having to switch it over. I thought it wouldn't be a big idea, but I guess it is. So what we're doing today is just me, myself, and I. We headed up to Cedartown, Harley-davidson to get the Mistress here, the Black Betty, her 10K service. Yes, you heard me right. You heard me right. I am taking her to a Harley-davidson dealership for an oil change. Can you believe that? And why, you may ask? Because I'm lazy? No, I just, I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because I have got a 3-year extended warranty on this awesome machinery here. And even though I never used it on Lucille, and I changed the whole oil, I just figured I was just going to, you know, once a year ain't gonna hurt me, because I doubt if I get 10K on each bike in a year now. I don't even know if I get 10K on both the bikes that way it looks. Maybe not. We got some big plans coming up for next year, I hope. You know, fingers crossed, toes crossed, legs crossed, and anything else you want to cross. I might, just might, go to Laconia. Oh, there was a package laying back there. I could be a poach, a side. I don't know. I'm not stealing nobody's packages. It might have been an empty box, but that's a real good place to leave it, right there at the edge of the. Probably was. Somebody blew out of the truck going to the dump. Well, I'm just all over the road today, ain't I? Figuratively, not mentally. Did I say that right? Figuratively, not. Anyway, you know what I'm saying, don't you? Well, probably not. But anyway, here he is. Wait, you just faking that mentally disturbedness you got, or is it real? Believe me, it's not Memorex, it's real. And it scares me, because, to be honest with you, yeah, it's like, hell, I can't even remember if I tie my shoes some days. I mean, it's that bad. Some days it's not, some days it is. I don't know. Old age, I guess. But, well, stuff in the road today. It came a good thunderstorm yesterday. Well, it's came a thunderstorm every day since we've been back from Vam. So I don't know. Anyway, like I said, anyway, we a good friend. You might have seen him in that video there. I think that one. When we all was up there and rode the Cherry Hollow Skyway. Probably seen him in some other videos way back in the day. Hammer Eye 85. He don't have a channel no more. But anyway, him and his wife decided they want to go to Laconia next year and wanted to see if we want to go. And I said, well, yeah. So if things go right, and on here, but that, you know, we ain't gonna do the 22 days deal this year or next year. In van, we might not be able to do a whole week like we have been doing, but since we do a whole week for van, that's the same amount of time we're gonna take on that road trip, give or take a day or two. We ain't made all the minds up yet, but we know we're going that away. And it's like 1,200 miles or so, and we ain't doing a bike, spirits and brews 10K in a day ride or whatever he calls it. We are going to take back roads, see the country. Because me and him both, me and Hammer, you know, we seen the country from the interstate. We want to see the country from the seat of a motorcycle. You know what I mean? We don't get off the byways and highways and take country, state roads and county roads and I don't know what all. But we're gonna do it. Hopefully things go right. You never guarantee tomorrow, but anyway, we just in the processes of planning it. Something dead. Somebody's septic tank, but ain't no septic tanks around in that area. I don't know. Told you. Distractions. Oh yeah, I remember now. We headed to Harley-davidson. Jesus. Take the wheel, or handlebars. Anyway, handlebars, not sandbars. Anyway, you ain't gonna believe this. Hey, how you going, buddy? How you going, buddy? I don't know where they're going. I don't know. What was I saying? We stopped right there at that red light, and sat there and said, somebody's got a campfire. No, it's me. I forgot I had that campfire beard oil on that Ben gave me, a white spirit cruise. I'm like, sniffing. I'm like, somebody's got a campfire. It's me. It's me. Yeah, we almost up here at Southern Denver, Harley-Davidson. Hope I'm recording. I got it on the right thing. It is 88.7 degrees. 88.7 degrees. Overcast now. It was sunny and hot. Hotter. Felt like 97. You know, with that heat index. But anyway, we on the motorcycle. It has rained almost every day here in Georgia. Afternoon thunderstorms. There goes some friends. How you doing, buddies? I don't know them, but they on a motorcycle. Well, here we are. I guess they got the food, the blood bank going. Blood bank. You can get blood. Blood. Hey, blood. You buddy, brother. Brother, you want to give some blood? Guess that's all they're doing. I got some other stuff going on. Stole horse law. People just gonna walk right on them in front of you, ain't they? What he nutting about? You got it? You want me to... Alright, have my nose itching down. Look at this. I was going to tell you about this. I don't think that's the same one I looked at a while ago. Look at her. You know she's damn hot. Leather pants. Skin tight. Oh, there goes some biker boys. What was I saying? I was distracted by skin tight leather pants. Oh me, God Lord. Lordy, lordy. Guess who's 40? I don't know why I said that. Check everything. Everything looked good. And that's not a blood truck. The Bud Blank is a food truck. It's ridiculous. I bought one because I was hungry. Did they reset the thingy? Yes, they did. Hot dog. Alright. That clutch has been adjusted. Yeah, they took it down. They must be all sold. It's a what would I say? Oh, that little burger would do a barbecue burger about the same as that for $12. I thought you got everything with it. Drink, chips, bag of chips was much bigger. So what did it cost me? An arm, and a half a leg. Jesus. $579. I got it, but I got a little Harley-Davidson cooler with two plates and 2 cups. I'll show you when I get home. Oh, yeah, ridiculous. That's just outrageous highway robbery. That much for it. Now they checked everything. There was a boat loose. Zol's boat was loose. I got a blown speaker, which I thought I did. Maybe I need to get that fixed. I said, y'all not gonna replace it on a warranty? We can replace it, but I don't know. It'll be on the warranty. I'm gonna make your appointment. And no, I can go to order a set from Clutchfield, cheaper than letting y'all do it. So I guess I need to do that. These are rocks for Falls gates. Maybe I should order them. Same I got in Lucille. I don't know. But anyway, we headed to the house. It is hot. How hot is it? Oh, I got it pulled up. I had it pulled up. It is. You wouldn't believe it says 89 degrees. Now that, nope, 90.5. It's been sitting in the air conditioner. So I'm gonna head to the house, and yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, folks, we are back at the shed. Fixing to put the Mistress back up. Black Betty here. I'll show you what I got. Ooh, I need gas. I came in on empty. I didn't feel like stopping. Too dang hot. Too dang hot. Hot. These are Bobsters, and Harley did replace them. I got a brand new pair in the back. But this is what I got. This is what I got. I got a Harley-Davidson cooler bag that you can, let's see what's in here. See, there's a can opener in there. Oh, there it is. Got your can opener. Your bottle opener, not a can opener. What is that? Got that in there. Supposed to have some orange thing. You got 2 little cups. You got your little cooler and 2 Harley-Davidson plates. I guess, you know, if it works, it works. At the bottom, that's pretty neat, ain't it? You spent $300, you get one of these. All right, well, that's about it. You can go check out that video there, that one there, and hit that flag, hit the subscribe button. I was looking at my flag of tyranny, you know, the blue line deal. All right, later.